Welcome to Module 1 of Toyota Thinking for Office Operations. When we speak about lean or Toyota thinking, we often think about machines, shop floor, production lines, Kanban, 5S, tact time, and material flow. But office work also has flow. A recruitment request moves from department to HR. A purchase requisition moves from user department to purchase. An invoice moves from supplier to stores, purchase, and finance. A maintenance complaint moves from production to maintenance. A document moves from preparation to review, approval, and release. If these office processes are delayed, the shop floor also gets affected. Material may not arrive. Recruitment may be delayed. Training records may be incomplete. Customer documents may be pending. Machine spares may not be available. Payments may wait for approvals. Toyota Thinking helps office teams identify waste, improve flow, reduce waiting, and serve the internal customer better. Welcome to this course on Toyota Thinking for Office Operations. In this course, we will learn how lean principles can be applied to support functions such as HR, finance, purchase, stores, quality, maintenance, administration, and PPC. Office processes may look simple, but they often contain hidden delays. Work may wait for approval, documents may be incomplete, data may be corrected repeatedly, ownership may be unclear, and status may not be visible. Every office activity is a process. It has an input, a set of activities, an output, and a customer. For example, a purchase request is an input. The purchase team processes it. The purchase order is the output. The user department is the internal customer. In office operations, the internal customer is the next person or department that receives your output. If your output is delayed, incomplete, or incorrect, the next process is affected. Value-added office work is work that helps the customer or next process. It may support decision-making, complete a requirement, prevent errors, ensure compliance, or move the work forward. Waste is any time, effort, or activity that does not add value to the customer or next process. Office waste may include waiting, rework, duplicate entry, searching, excess reporting, and unclear handovers. The 8 wastes can be seen in office work also. Wrong data is a defect. Reports that are not used are overproduction. Pending approvals are waiting. Searching for files is motion waste. Duplicate entry is extra processing. Waiting is one of the biggest office wastes. A file may wait for approval, an email may wait for response, a purchase order may wait for clarification, or an invoice may wait for supporting documents. Rework happens when work has to be corrected and repeated. In office work, rework may happen due to wrong data, missing attachments, wrong formats, incomplete approvals, incorrect entries, or poor communication. Overprocessing means doing more work than required. It may include unnecessary approvals, duplicate reports, repeated data entry, excessive formatting, or too many review levels. In office work, motion waste often appears as searching. Employees may spend time searching for emails, records, approvals, formats, data, or the responsible person. This time does not add value. Visual management helps make office work visible. Trackers, dashboards, aging reports, and status boards show what is pending, delayed, completed, or escalated. This helps teams act faster. Standard work defines the best-known way to complete a recurring office process. It should include process steps, owner, format, required documents, timeline, approval flow, escalation rule, and record method. Let us take a purchase requisition example. A PR takes 10 days to become a purchase order. On analysis, the team finds incomplete specifications, approval waiting, vendor clarification, repeated correction, and no status visibility. The team improves the process using a standard PR checklist, approval timeline, visual tracker, and escalation rule.
Let us recap. Toyota thinking helps us see office work as a process. Once we identify internal customers, value and waste, we can reduce delays, improve flow and make work easier for everyone.